I met Neetu about 2.5, 3 months back, and on Facebook she keeps posting that free reading and this and that, and I was pulled by that thought that, oh, free reading, let me save some money. So she said, I'll do this reading for you. Then I further approached her that what else can we do, because I have these palpitations and everything. I was so bad that I couldn't even sit in one place. Today y'all have seen I sit for 4 hours, and I don't need to get up and start walking and everything, because I've been able to learn to control my thought, because she told me that I need to work on myself. Only when I work on myself will I be able to attract the right people, because there were a lot of people in my life, because my career is going fine and my personal life was a little bit of an issue. She came into my life. She told me that, Priyanka, instead of a reading, you should take a healing, because at this point of time, what I'm getting, and she was the person, she told me that I will ask Theta or I will ask Akashic as to what is right for you at this point of time. Nobody guides you at that point of time, because when you are in that state, you are ready to do everything because you just want to be okay, because I was on homeopathy for my anxiety and everything, and it was healing me, but it used to come back, and I want to cure it from the core. So she told me that you take healing instead of reading. What I'll do is, because you are going through a financial turmoil, I will do the healing for you and I will do a reading for you, so don't worry. So I said, okay, fine. She called, and I also was thinking that she's sitting in Dubai, I'm in India, how is this going to work and everything, but I trusted in my Lord, and I have a lot of faith in God. And she told me, I'm going to start your healing now. Okay, and she just told me, you sit in one place and just believe that you are getting healed. I said, okay, fine. Initially nothing happened. I'm like, what's nothing is happening? Slowly, gradually, I start feeling palpitations. And I'm like, why am I getting palpitations, And this is the same feeling when I get anxious. So I immediately messaged her that I'm getting anxious, Neetu. What is this? So she's like, you are getting healed. Don't worry. It'll settle down. Just drink a lot of water. I said, okay, fine. After an hour, I think she calls me and tells me that I've got a message that instead of spending money on my healings and my readings, you please come and do the class. No healer in this country is going to suggest you this, because today I can heal my own self and I can read for my own self. I don't know will it be accurate or not, but today I can read for myself and heal for myself, and I'm going to be moving into my next phase of life. And that point of time, I really thank her, and she really pushed me and convinced me. I wouldn't have been here today, but she pushed me and convinced me, because it's not very easy to convince me on anything. And today I'm here, and I really want to thank Neetu, because I can feel the difference in me. Today I can sit in one place for 3 hours, 4 hours, not get anxious. I got onto a Singapore flight for 6 hours and I was fine. Before the flight I was anxious. In Singapore I was all fine. While coming back I was all fine. And in fact, she's been telling me that you have to be patient, and I have been patient and I'm seeing the results. So thanks a lot, Neetu. It's really, really overwhelming for me that as a healer and as a person who could have earned a lot more from me has told me to learn it. So thanks a lot. Yeah.